it's taking. Let it follow the second one. Here we go. At the same time, we have to put our screen into two. The first one goes to the side. Fail to load. Okay, this one there, our code here. So our mission is click, go to about. Okay, this about is empty, so we need to design this one in our about section. Okay, so it's actually like this. When we resize the screen, so let's start. Meaning you need to go go to about page like this. Control plus B to close the other, control here, close the terminal. So what do we have here? We have the first one is we have got an H. Okay, we need to divide into two. If you see here, have this one here, carry everything down, should be inside one div, and this image should be inside different div. So this is the first way to achieve with that one. That means here we can put another div inside. We have to put times 2 to get for us two different div. The first one will take the text, the second one is going to take our picture here. Let's say image. Okay, image. Then within this one have h3, which carry this text about agency like this. Then within about agency, this text here is blue, so I can style it directly by giving the cn, which is the class name. The first side text dash blue dash 600, and then font dash bold text dash XL extra large enclosures, but in this one is only 20 pixels. Okay, and then we got that one, and then it has a margin top of 4, top and bottom of 4, so I can add here my stand for margin top and bottom. In the coordinate mathematical, the x and the y axis, the y axis is representing top and the bottom. From top will be positive, down should be negative. The same thing with the x axis in maths, if you can remember. And then we have 4, meaning it will add what, 1 rem at the top, which is 16 pixel top, 16 pixel down. Then after this text, what do we have? We have another h1 here. This h1 will carry this text here. We create digital what, copy this one, pass it here, and then here you can also give your margin bottom. Now this time it will be 4, because top and bottom is already given. It has to be inside the class name cn. First of all, the margin bottom is mb, you put here 4. Then next will be to make the font size look big and bold. First of all, font dash bold, it will be bold like this. Then after bold, text, you can increase the font size by say text, make 6xl is okay like this, and then it's going to be white by default. And then we have also the margin bottom. No, that's enough to do with that. Next is the p text here, this one. Feel free to change all the text here. Okay, modify the way you wish it's okay for you. Copy this one. After here, pass p, pass this one there all. After you pass it, after you pass this one, give a space to it and then make it somehow gray. No, it's white. Okay, just give a space to it by passing cn. Make text dash large, that's 16, and then it's not 16 by the way, large is equal to 18 pixels. Okay, make it XL is okay. XL is equal to 20 pixels. Okay, let it remain large. Then give a space padding top and bottom of 4 like this, which is 16 pixels. Yeah, 16 pixels. And then next will be creating those one here. So those one here need one more div. Inside that div it require triple div again. Inside here you can put triple div dot time is 3 to get you 3 div. And then the first each div contain contain what contain all h1, the first one. So we have h1. One is having 10k plus, the second one is having you type any number you wish, 234k plus, give space here. And then the last one here will be 5k plus, like this. Then we have to style them all blue. Select all of them by clicking on your alt down, and then you add the cn class here. Then you can say font dash bold, that's the first thing. Text dash blue 500. Let's make it 600 to look somehow dark. 600 like this. It's okay. Then we have the p text down, all of them. Every after each h1 we have the p. So let's add that p. That p is saying year. Let's say year of experiences. Let's add s here. Years of experiences. Like this for the first one. Then we can modify for the second one. People reach here. People reach. The last one will be service plugin. So you type here service, service plugin, like this. And then all these texts are white by default, and then here is reserved for the image. So I can pass my image tag here. Okay, I have to import it. Remember, it's coming from next image. If you put error there, it will not work for you. So it requires a lot of attributes. The first one, which is important, is going to be what? The src, which is the directory. First of all, we pass through images. Again, we pass through about .png, but we have to confirm whether it's true or not. Go back here. Go back to your public images. It's about png. Very good. So go back here, press on Ctrl plus B to hide the other side. Then the next option is the alt. When there is no image, what do you want to show on the screen? Let it show about us image. Then after this, next will be the src. Not the src, the width and the height. I'm going to put to height of the image should be, let's just try 500, and then even the width, which should be 500, like this. After this one, let's first try to see whether it's working well or not. You can see we are somehow getting everything here. Okay, everything somehow coming. Now if I go like this, you can see this is what we are getting, but we need to position this one first of all. how do we position this one? By also increase the size of this one here, all the blue. So let's pass it there. Let's start by down here. Let's increase all the H1, press here, press on this, press on that. So I can first add the text size. Okay, I can add it maybe into LG. Let's see. Okay, they're changing somehow. Okay, it's okay. And then the next thing is they are all they are now aligned all into column. I want them to be flex and item center. So let me see and justify space between. Let's go and see where is the one handling the H1, H2, handling all the H1 and the work of experience. It's this one here. So here I'm going to make it flex, send them all into what? Into row. I want to make all the item in the center, and I want to justify between, to give space between them, like this. Now if I save, you can see they have went up to that level. Now even if I do like this, you can see they are okay. Next thing is this image here, and this text should be aligned into row, not column. So to achieve this one also, we're going to see where is the image exactly. The image is found here. Image is here. So where is the parent container? The parent is this one here. So when the parent is equal to this one, I have one option by adding a grid system, but feel free to use flex, and then you just justify the media query at what size it will change. So grid by default, it's going to be grid calls dash 1. By default is going to be 1. That means it will stay like this on top of the other. Then as long as we move from medium screen and above, the grid calls is going to be 2. Grid calls is going to be 2. And then to give space between them, we pass the gap space of 4, which is the 16 pixels. We put like this, 16 pixels, 1 RAM space. Then you see this image here is somehow colliding here with the text. So we go down here where we have image here. We first of all give it a empty, which is the margin top. Margin top of what? Margin top of 4. Now you see there is a space here. If we remove this one, it goes up. If I put this 4, okay, shift it down. So this is the first difference you can see. And then now if I try to view this one on desktop, you can see everything seems to be okay. Have you seen? This is about Emmanuel.
Sir?
Is okay?
Yes, sir.
Maybe here this text is too much. This is 6L. Let's try to fix this one.
Media.
Let's fix this one. H1 here, 6L is too big. Let's go with the 5. 5 is this one. Yeah, like this. Very good, very excellent. Any question?
No question, sir. Understood.
Okay, let me first stop this one so that it will be very easy for us to